Today, I'm going to show you how to install Linux on Windows. It's natively, not using virtual machine or Hyper-V. Now let me show you how. Because Microsoft Windows, has recently provided the Windows Subsystem for Linux service. So I think it's very great because you can just directly run the Linux on the Windows, run the Linux kernel on the Windows directly, which is very important, very crucial, and very unprecedented because Windows, I think they are rivals. Linux and Windows should be rivals, right? But I don't know why, but I will show you how. Okay, first of all, you have to go to the to enable something first, to go to the control panel and then the software and function, and then the to enable or disable Windows functions here, and it will pop up the directory here, and then just click the Linux and Windows subsystem, take it, and also take the virtual machine platform, the two text there, and then click OK, might restart, and after restart and then OK, you can just go to the Microsoft Store to download the Linux. You just search Linux, and there are so many distros there. You have Ubuntu, Debian, Kali OS, those kind of free Linux system. It's the actual Linux system. So it's the OS. It's the real OS. So after downloading, you just click there, just like a software, the kernel, Debian. You click it, and then you will have this one like this, and then this is already it's already an OS here on the Windows, but it doesn't support GUI. So if you want to have the GUI software, I will show you later. So now you need to I will test this one first. You see, it's just the first of all, you get inside, you will take a couple of time to install something, and then after that you will have to create a user and password. That's okay. So it's just like a normal Linux. You can type those kind of command, sudo apt-get install. It's the same. And type your password. You'll get update, right? And then if you don't want, if you don't have the GUI, the X server, so you cannot run the GUI, you can have the normal app like NeoFetch. I have previously downloaded it. Originally, this Linux has no NeoFetch, so I'll show you NeoFetch. See here, it's the Debian on Windows 10, kernel 4.4, and another information. See, very funny, yeah. Everything works, and then the let's see, everything's like, let's see some GUI software. Color paint. I have already downloaded it as well previously, so GUI software couldn't work. So like this. In order to enable the GUI software, I will show you how. First of all, I want to introduce my Chinese Lonesome 3A4000 CPU to you first. Here is the Lonesome CPU computer. See here, Lonesome 3A4000. This is the Lonesome 3A4000 running Redthread 28. I'm showing you this big computer here, running the Chinese CPU Lonesome 3A4000. Lonesome 3A4000 has the long ISA instruction set compatible with MIPS MIS instruction set architecture. So why my computer literacy and knowledge are getting better? Because after having bought the Lonesome 4A4000, my computer knowledge and Linux skill dramatically improved a lot. That's why I highly recommend you to buy a Lonesome 3A4000 CPU. So you will actively and to learn the Linux stuff, something like that. Because Lonesome 3A4000 CPU architecture is not x86, and the Microsoft Windows only can run the x86 CPU architectures like AMD and Intel. They are patent. That's why the Lonesome 3A4000 can only run on Linux. So you cannot run Windows. So you will actively and proactively to learn Linux by yourself. So that's why your Linux skill will be okay. Let's go back to the main topic. With this Lonesome 3A4000 I'm showing you, and this website is very helpful for telling you how to do a Windows X server with the GUI system to run the Linux on Windows. Okay. Oh, excuse me. And I think you have to download the VCX SRV in order to run the GUI, the X server. Okay, the Windows X server here. You just go there and download it. Just go there, SourceForge, the open source project, SourceForge. It's like GitHub. So you download the Windows exe file on Windows. Okay. Just download it, that will be okay. Install it, following the step here. After downloading it, you just click and install, and they will ask you just choose one notch Windows and display number 0, and then start load client and next OK and install it. But prior for the installation or after installation, you have to run this on your Linux machine. I mean the Linux on Windows. You install apt-get install the LXDE first, and then type the 2 installation of the LXDE. After installation of the LXDE, input these 2 commands. Okay, it's to display the desktop through the X server. So these 2 commands are very important. You have to do it. After doing it, I'll come back to my Linux server. I mean on Windows. Okay. After typing the 2 commands, the 2 command here. After typing it, 2 command here. Remember, LXDE I already installed. After typing the command, you just type start LXDE. But prior to that, you have to, after installation, you will have open the X server on the desktop, the X launch, and with the configuration save, so I can open it again, and you type start LXDE. Okay, you go into the GUI, go into the Windows X server. So it's like whatever. It's like a Windows, like a Linux, normal Linux with the Windows X server. So you just install the things there. everything installed on the Debian here. It's like gedit, because you have no GUI, so you cannot open it. But you have, after you install those kind of software, you have to go to the Windows X server, and then you will have it. It's like Firefox, Deluxe, and Color Paint. See here, the GUI software. Let's see if it works or not. Loading. Color Paint. Image viewer. Yeah, it works. Those kind of software. gedit. gedit. Color Paint. Color Paint. You have some problem of Color Paint maybe, but other software should be okay. Should be fine. GUI software here can have everything. We start it first. Color Paint. Cannot run it on this, but you have to open the X server. And type start LXDE. This one cannot. Start LXDE. Okay. Document viewer, it works. Color Paint has some problems. Color Paint, so ignore it. So after going inside the Windows X server, you can just like a normal Linux. We'll have a terminal as well, so you can install whatever here. See Color Paint again. Color Paint. Sudo apt-get install. KOLOURPAINT. Maybe some dependency. There is no some dependency missing maybe. Let's see. I don't know. Cannot open. gedit maybe. Let's see. gedit. gedit. Yeah, gedit. It works. It works. But if you don't go into the Windows X server, it doesn't work. gedit. You see here, it works. gedit. You can do whatever here. It's a GUI app. GUI software. Close without saving. If you type in here, type in here, gedit, it doesn't work, right? So you go to the inside the Windows X server. The terminal here is the same kernel as the outside one, because it just turns to the Windows X server, but the kernel is the same. So you check the Leo fetch is the same, and you install what you have installed previously on the Linux there. This one Debian inside the Windows X server is the same. So Leo fetch is the same. You can see the kernel and everything is the same. Just outputting in the Windows X server. Okay, alright. So after quitting it, everything you quitting it, you have to retype the two commands. Remember, it's very important, these two commands. Otherwise, it won't display the desktop through the X server. Type it on the Linux and then open the X server and open this and type the start LXDE, that will be okay, and remember this install LXDE. Okay, so to sum up, it's very convenient for some developers and software developers to use the Linux on Windows, to use the Windows subsystem for Linux. Even me, I'm so good. Some normal users like me, I can use a Linux software on Windows. It is amazing, and you cannot think of it. You couldn't think of it before. So now it's good. So okay, that's it. If you have any questions, you just can ask me on the comments. And also click subscribe me and click like if you like this video. So see you then. Enjoy.